Now, how does masdar in this family look like? It is looking like this. You have to memorize it, okay? Ta'liman. Ta'liman.
So it means to study, is it?
Ta'lim means study, education.
Study.
Ta'lim. Education, education.
Educate.
That's why
Education.
masdar means
Okay.
masdar is an idea, is an ism, is idea.
Idea. Ji.
So
Ji.
now you see in the container, fail mazi in the family two looks like allama, and masdar will fail muzari yu'allimu, and masdar ta'liman. Now, if I give you a word like this, now in the ta'liman, can you tell me the root word? Where is the root word? So, so in the masdar, the root words have been,
Ain mean.
yeah. So root words, where are root words used? After ta is one root letter.
After the.
First letter, then second root letter is after that, and then there's ya. The last root letter is used and at the end. Correct. So ta and ya is not part of the root. You see how it is used. Now, if I give you a word like this, I'll tell you. I'll give you a word like this. Tasliman. Now, can you tell me, if I ask you, first of all, is it ism or fail?
It will
Ism.
come under fail only, no?
Ism.
Because no,
Ism.
this
It is ism.
because it is masdar.
Is it ism or fail?
Ism.
It's ism because it is acting with tanween.
And
Right, sister? Ism. It's ism.
Ism.
It's ism. Now that ism, it is now. If I tell you this tasliman, to which family it belongs to? Have you heard this
belongs to
word?
family to Sallama.
No, wait, hold on. You will actually scan. So far, you have only studied family two. You will scan in the family two. Which word looks like tasliman? First, you will say fail. Now, add its ism. You understood ism. So, definitely fail mazi and muzari is ruled out. What's next? Masdar, which is ism, right? In the family two, masdar looks like ta'liman. Exactly same. Tasliman. So, you will say, oh, this word basically belongs to family two and it is a masdar. So, you got it is family. You got also what in that family, what it is it a son or a daughter or a wife or a husband or a father or mother? Okay, so you can say allama is a father. Okay, so you got tasliman, it is actually belong to family two, it is a masdar. Now next will be, I'll ask you question. You told me that is from family two, it's a masdar. Now tell me the root word of tasliman. Can you tell me the root word now?
Sin lam mim.
You see, easily you could get the root words. Salama. Ta'liman. Alama. Here. Tasliman. Salama. Now you could get root from the ism itself. I gave you a word. You understood it's a ism and you got it as family. You got what kind of role is member it is in the family. It's masdar. From the masdar, you could get it. From the family, you could get its root word. Salama. And if you want to know the meaning, you type sin lam mim in the dictionary in family 2, you will find its meaning. Now, if I give you this tasliman as a word, you understood it is a family 2. It's a masdar. Now, can you get me the how does it fail mazi will look like for this then? If I give you a tasliman word, I tell you to find the family. You told it's family 2 masdar. Now, can you get me the fail mazi and muzari out of it?
Sallama.
Sallama. Can you get me its muzari?
Yusallimu.
Now you got sallama, you got yusallimu. From the sallama, you can get huma version, home version, hiya version, huma version, hunna version, and it goes on. I gave you one word, you derived its multiple words without even memorizing anything. That's why I'm telling you, if you memorize family, okay, if you memorize the pattern of the family, each family, you can get hundreds of words from that family. What you had to memorize only fail mazi, muzari, masdar, ism fa'il, ism maf'ul. Majhul will be derived. You don't need to memorize. And amr also you can derive, right? Amr, you know how to make amr, right? So only fail mazi, muzari, masdar, and ism fa'il you had to memorize of each family, how it looks like. You can identify any word in the ocean of Arabic language. You can derive any word from any word. Hundreds of words you can derive from any word, and you can get its family, you can get its root, you can get its other meaning, you can get its other members of the family. You see how powerful it is. Now, let's me, rub it off. Okay, this is masdar. Next, what is the next in the container? Ism,
Nakir.
ism fa'il.
Ismul fa'il.
Ism fa'il of the
Ism
container.
file will be muallimun.
No.
Mualliman ya
Hold on. This basically these people don't know. So next is ism fa'il.
muallimun.
Now, how does ism file look? Now, ism file is again, it's a ism, right? Masdar is also ism file is also ism, right? Generally, ism will start with meme or end with tanween, okay? Now, how does ism file or a file look like in family 2? In family 2, ism file will look like yu'allimu. The difference only is instead of ya, we have meme because it's ism. So, ism file will look like mu'allimun. Muallimun. Okay, so it's like yu'allimu. Here it is muallimun. So how does ism file look like in the fail mazi in family 2? Muallimun. So yu'allimu muallimun. You can replace ya with meme and then and we'll go with the tajdeed. Tanween. Correct? So muallimun. Now if I give you a word like musallimun, I will tell you, can you tell me the family? Okay, now you know family 2 ism file, how ism, and as you understood it's a ism, either you will match with masdar or ism file, right? So a masdar looks like ta'liman, so it's not like ta'liman, and you will see ism file looks like muallimun, musallimun. Now from the musallimun, you can get it is fil mazi, sallama, fil muzari, it's masdar, right, and other things. Now what does allama mean? Allama means he taught. Yu'allimu means he teaches. Ta'liman means education. Mu'allimun, file means the one who does action. The one who? What does muallim mean then?
It's a teacher.
Teacher, the one who teaches. Teacher. Okay. Now, this is the first row of the container. The second row is easy. Why? The second row, how will you get second row? The second row is what? Majhul, mazi majhul, right? Second row is mazi of the container, same container. Second row is mazi majhul. Okay. Now, how will you get majhul? Now, first of all, you will get mazi majhul. So, you will get from the fail mazi. Now, how will you get what is the majhul of allama? Ullima, because last letter will remain same. It will not change. So, you will have ullima. Simple. Now, if I give you a word like sullima, you can get, oh, this is a majhul, and you can get how the majhul in the family 2 looks like. Scan fail mazi. It's fail mazi, ullima, sullima. You get then it's majhul, muzari, mazi, fail normal muzari, right? Masdar, ism file. How will its mazi, muzari, majhul looks like? You will derive it from what? Where you will derive?
Mudari.
From muzari, simple. So how does fail muzari majhul looks like? Which sound? Sound.
Yu'allimu.
Multiple sound. And multiple R's. So from that, How will you look? How will it look like? Yu'allamu, right? Multiple R's. Yu'allamu.
يعلم.
Yu'allamu, bhai. Last
Oh,
part.
oh, oh.
Yu'allamu.
Okay.
Okay, I think font has gone more. That's why that alif that yu'allamu. What is remaining now? Masdar, right? So
مجهول مصدر.
majhul masdar same. Masdar will remain same. Masdar does not change. Masdar is same. Ta'liman. It does not change.
Then it will be amr and nahi, na?
Now wait, hold on. There is a ism maf'ul. In case of majhul,
Maf'ul.
in case of ma'lum, you have ism fa'il. Normal fails. In case of majhul, in case of this one majhul, you have ism maf'ulun, right? Maf'ul. How does ism maf'ul look like? Ism maf'ul will be like maf'ulun only. So it will be, this is muallimun ism fa'il. In this, it will be muallamun. It will be like exactly muzari majhul. Exactly muzari majhul. Here it was ism fa'il was exactly like fail muzari. The difference is here it mean, it was ya and with tanween, right? So here it will be again
معلم.
muzari.
معلم.
So muallamun. Muallamun. Okay. Now, what is left in the container now?
أمر لكن.
Yes, fail amr. So you have now. How will you get fail amr? From which word?
Present tense.
Present tense. Which word?
Second person.
Now
Second person.
you know the third person. Where it is? The third person. Sorry, the third person. Fail muzari. You know. Yu'allimu. What will be its second person? Fail muzari.
تعلم.
Tu'allim.
تعلم.
Now, how will you make amr then from tu'allimu? You will drop that ta and you put schoon at the end, right?
So
What is
the last
remaining now?
letter, yes.
What is remaining?
علم.
Allim.
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 This is amr. Now, if I tell you, if I give you a word like sallim, you can understand it's a nahi. Sorry, amr. And if I tell you what is the family, you know in the family too how the fail amr looks like. It looks like allim. So you can get its family. From the family, you can get its other things. You can get its fail mazi, muzari, masdar, right? From the amr, you can derive fail mazi. From the amr, you can derive its fail muzari, masdar, fa'il, majhul, muzari, majhul, masdar, ism maf'ul, and all those. So how will nahi look like? Fail nahi. Yes, fail nahi. How
لا
does
ما.
so fail
لا ما.
nahi is what? Nahi means what? So you will be having la first, right?
La
La.
first.
La and then second person anta. So you have tuallimu. It will be lam meme will be having schoon at the end. It will be la tuallim. Correct?
تعلم.
You remember that? How to make nahi?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes. How to make nahi? You make nahi from tuallimu. You put la and the tuallimu, the ta will remain there, but last will be schoon.
So good.
So what is what is left? Zarf.
Zarf. Zarf.
Zarf tells us where the action has taken place in time and place, right? When it take and where it take, where it was taken. So zarf, sorry, zarf. So zarf will look like ism maf'ul. It will be mu'allamun. It will be same as ism maf'ul. It will be mu'allamun in this family. Allamun. Now this is a family 2 for you. If you remember this family 2, you remember its fail mazi, you remember how it is muzari looks like, you remember its masdar, you remember its fa'il, you can get it easily is majhul, muzari, majhul, masdar, and masdar is same. Fail amr also you can get same. So if I give you a word like any of the word like this, if I give you any word, whether mudakhilun or madkhilun, like that kind of, or like the tasliman. If I give you any word, I tell you what it is. Okay, for example, I give you word tasliman. I give you a word tasliman, for example. Let's take this example again. Okay. I give you a word like tasliman. I tell you first question, it is fail or ism, you will say ism. Now I'll tell you which family it belongs to. Now, so far you have studied only family 2. You will scan through family 2. You will go to first fail mazi. Now this is a ism, so you will not focus on fail mazi and muzari. So you will go to family 2. You will see how the isms in the family 2 looks like. Ism means you have kind of isms: masdar, fa'il, maf'ul, zarf. Correct? Right? So first you will go masdar. Is it looking like a masdar ta'aliman? Yes. Is it looking like ism file? No. Ism maf'ul? No. It's looking like a ta'liman. So you got it is a masdar like ta'liman. That means this is from family 2. Now, if it is from family 2, you can get its root word. In the ta'liman, you know the root word was. So you will match it like this. In the ta'liman, you had like this. You had ta'liman. So you can match it. So ta is not part of root word, an was part of root word. So what is in the an part here? It is seen. Lam is root word. Here lam again. Ya is not root part of root word. Mim is a part of. So salama. Now from this masdar, you can get it then fail mazi. How that fail mazi looks like in family 2? Allama. How will it will look like in this case? Sallama. Because you know root word here. How does fail mudari in that family two looks like in case of allama? Yu'allimu. So it will be yusallimu. Then majhul you can get it. How does ism file look like? Musallimun, muallimun. Amr and nahi you can get easily, right? So you can see, then you can get huma version, hum version. Now if I give you example like like this. Okay. Musallimuna is an example last, then we'll do one more episode tomorrow, inshallah. I'll say musallimuna. I give you this word. I tell you, can you tell me what it is? It says ism. If I tell you what is the family of this root word, of this word, which family it belongs to? So what you will do? This is a plural word, right? So far in the families, you have only read singular words. So get its what? Singular here first. Get it singular. The singular of this will be musallimu. Am I audible to you?
जी जी
Yes, yeah.
So you will get it. What you will get it is singular one, right? Because we have studied only singular of the families, right? You got it is what? Singular. It's like musallimu. Now, which family it belongs to? Musallimu. Can you tell me, have you heard about now? You have already studied family 2. Let's go to family
जी
2.
to same
It is like muallimun.
मुलिम जी
Limu, right? You get it most muallimun. It's like muallimun, right? So you go, oh, it is ism file. It's like ism file of family 2. This is from family 2. You see, from the plural word, even you got family. So it is Muslimun means it belongs to family 2. So can you tell me the root word now? From the itself, now you got its root word singular, you get
सलाम
salama is the root word. Now from the musallimuna, you can get it is mazi, muzari, masdar, and all that. You see, I gave you randomly one word, you derived multiple words out of it. So only thing is, यहाँ मेहनत क्या है? You have to remember how family 2 pattern is in fail mazi, muzari, masdar, and ism file. And also, if you remember this majhul and all that, it's also better. And amr and nahi. The whole thing, whole members of the family, if you recognize, memorize, you can recognize any word in the world and assign the family to it. Okay, and then from that you can get its other family members. So today we will inshallah stop here. If you have any question, feel free to ask. you can get multiple things, right?